How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. There's stuff going on, but I'm blessed no matter what's going on. But anyway, I need some chicken, some fried chicken. So I'm going to air fry these 4 legs I had marinating in the refrigerator. I vacuum sealed these 2. I already washed, seasoned, and marinated. So I'm going to use some Louisiana. Thought I had the spicy kind. Oh, this is the spicy Louisiana chicken fry. It's already seasoned, y'all. Sometimes you ask me, do you have to put seasoning in it? No, you don't. I do season my chicken. I'll be using my Foodi extra large grill. And I'm getting ready to turn it on. I just plugged it in. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on the air crisp setting for 400 degrees. It says set itself for 20 minutes. I set it for 22 minutes. And start. So right now it's preheating. And these are the largest chicken legs I've ever seen. So I'm going to use my breader bowl. You can get this from Amazon. I'll leave a link. I'm going to pour some of this. Don't ever pour it off unless you're feeding the army. If you need more, just add more. Okay. Got about that much in here for the big old giant 4 chicken legs. I've got to show y'all how these legs look. Huge. Look at that. What kind of chicken is this? Radiation chicken? I don't know. I'm just going to put 2 in here for now. Shake them up. Coat it nicely. Of course, you can always use a Ziploc bag or a brown paper sack or just any kind of bag. Okay. Yeah, I think it'll be enough breading in here. I ought to vacuum seal this. And I'll be using some olive oil to spray it with. This is my blue. Isn't this beautiful? My blue Evo oil sprayer. Gorgeous. I have a red one and a purple one and a silver one that Cooking with Doug gave me a long time ago. I'm tired of waiting. When it gets hot enough, it's supposed to tell me to add, there you go, it says add food. I'm going to spray. Chicken in here. I'm going to spray the chicken. Shake off the excess breading. Shake these others in here. Huge. Wow. Ooh. Shake off the excess. It's pepper. Shake out the excess. I probably have to turn these big old things. If I got wings, I don't have to turn them. I'm going to spray these so nothing is white and powdery. And don't be criticizing me, asking me, ain't the reason I bought this in the first place so I don't have to use any oil. No, that's not why I bought it. So this is going to pick up where it left off. It's going to cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 minutes. And I will be back. I figured y'all want to see me turn this chicken over. Let me show you. I just turned 2 legs over. Let me turn these over too. These are some big, oh wow, big old legs. I ain't got to spray the other side. Okay. Let me show you how it looks for real. Okay, that's how big old giant legs look. And I turned it up to 425 because these legs are huge. I may put a couple more minutes. Oh, it ain't gonna do nothing until I close it. Okay, close it. I'm gonna add 2 more minutes. 2 or 3. Okay. So it will be 25 minutes and all for these giant legs. And I put it up to 425 Fahrenheit. Okay. In the meanwhile, I fixed me a salad and I got my bread ready for my chicken dogs. Let me show you that. Got a good salad. I got lettuce, got all kinds of different lettuces. I got red onions, I got tomato, got jalapeno peppers, I got the banana peppers, olives, cucumbers, some of everything in here, and French dressing. Got my bread ready for the chicken dogs and my hot sauce. And I have taken my hair off because I mean business. I don't want nothing disturbing me when I'm trying to eat. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, this is during the countdown. It's getting ready to stop. So 33 seconds. It's done, I'm sure. But I'm going to use my meat thermometer. These legs are unusually big. I'm using the Therm Pro meat thermometer. I'm going to leave a link for it on my description, in my description box. You have to press this to open it. The button here, press it to open. Don't just pull it open, it should break it. And you also have to press it to close it. And then press this. Okay. So I want it to read at least 165 degrees. this one. Without hitting the bone. 190. Hitting the bone. Okay, I don't want to hit the bone. 185, 184. 192, 189, 188, so it's well over 165. So you don't wash this, you just rinse the tip off and wipe it off. I'm going to do that right now. So these chicken dogs are good and done. So fold it up, press that button, close it, and then press this button to turn it off. Get off. Okay. Nice healthy leg. And I'll just spray it one side, yeah. Okay. I'm going to turn this off. Plug it. I don't think I'm going to bite this chicken leg in front of y'all. Okay, this is my dinner. Big old healthy chicken dogs. They cooked at 425 for 25 minutes. This nice good salad. Put some hot sauce. I'm using the Red Hot, Frank's Red Hot. Okay, I need to turn it up. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. I want to pinch some off and taste it for y'all. Oh, it's hot. Okay. And yes, I do thank the Lord for my food before I eat. Somebody told me what I needed to do. I'm going to eat a piece of the skin. I'm about to hurt myself. Bon appetit. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.